Emu birds need no bath like other domestic animals, but they enjoy sprinkling cold water on them in hot summers. Hence provide the same once in a week. Emu birds live in open places in hot summer and also during heavy rains. Clean the fecal droppings once in a day. See how big its mouth is? So it tries to swallow pebbles and small coconuts. This may choke the throat, leading to death of the bird. Hence, avoid such materials on the ground. Emu is a friendly bird, though it looks ferocious. Of course, it kicks on all sides, except at the back when it is troubled. So, handle the bird from the back like this. Pull it back with the help of these two short wings. Transport the birds during night hours in the dark from place to place. Make bamboo partitions in the vehicle and put sand or paddy husk on the floor. One man can handle 200 birds. Emu tries to hit shiny objects with its beak. Hence, avoid wristwatches, key bunches, finger rings, etc. while working with the bird. Deworm the big birds also once in 6 months. Use ivermectin and albendazole medicines alternatively. Emu birds fight a lot at the growing stage and at the time of pairing. Identify and separate the troublesome female bird from the flock. Keep a watch on them during these stages and treat the wounded bird. At present, a pair of 6-month-old emu chicks cost 15 to 20,000 rupees. NABARD has a scheme for emu farming and hence the loan is available from the banks. Ensuring this bird is also possible by paying the premium of 5 to 6% of the value of the bird. Emu has got good resistance. As of now, there are no diseases in our country. In 1998, for the first time, 200 emu chicks were imported into our country. That is the parent stock for today's 3 lakh emu population in India. Hence, because of inbreeding, the problem of bisexual chicks has reached 2 to 3%. Few chicks bear 5 fingers and die soon. To avoid these genetic problems, exchange of male birds between the farm is recommended. It is better to import chicks from abroad for the parental stock while starting the bigger farms.